With a lack of expertise, it's always trying to teach somebody new what someone else already knows. In most cases, I would rather not do that.
Right now is about the toughest I've ever seen it to find. You can find people, but you can't find good people. You can't find licensed people, experienced people.
They're not out there anymore. I mean, manufacturing jobs, troubleshooters, mechanic, welders, they're not out there.
You know, it's tough. I got friends of mine in all different types of fields, and they're all having hard times finding people to work.
Having somebody with the expertise who knows what you want done is like 100% important.
Piping Systems has proven to have remarkable expertise in the installation of HVAC piping systems.
The remarkable expertise that I get from PSI technicians and managers is above reproach.
This isn't my first rodeo with contractors, so I can pick out who's good, who's not.
Expertise, to me, is being able to do the job, doing it right, understanding every aspect of what you're doing.
PSI definitely, they are professional. I mean, they do great work. I mean, that's why we've been doing business with them over 20 years.
I know the upper management, I know the guys that are down there turning the wrenches. They require the guys to get licensed. They require them to go to school. We work in high-profile areas where there are a lot of inspectors. They're checking licenses. They're doing all those things. And PSI is on board with us as far as getting their guys' licenses.
They have a tremendous training program. They invite in all of the companies that they buy products from, that they use for their customers' installations, and they become experts in them. They train every one of their employees as best as possible on every product that they install.
PSI is our first choice on every project. They give us the expertise of their knowledge of their budget, you know, which helps us, value engineering, you know, those kind of things. So, like I said, it's great to have them as part of the team.
I've witnessed their remarkable expertise being on the job when they're there. I see how they work. They're phenomenal.
They have good welders, pipe fitters.
Whether it be a boiler piping job, chiller jobs, 3/4 inch pipe, it could be 16-inch pipe. They can do it all.
I don't sweat. When I know I have PSI on the job and coming to do something for me, it's going to get done right. And at the end of the day, I know that everything's going to be put back the way it's supposed to be.
They have their test sheets. They, you know, when they're done, everything is labeled, tagged, they give you a valve. Everything is done the way it's supposed to be done, the way we want it done.
I know that PSI is going to do what they need to do correctly, and then they're going to get the system back up online, and I'm not going to have to double check anything.
I don't have to worry about the situation. That I know when I call them, they're going to be there, they're going to come take care of it. You couldn't ask for anything better, because they are. They're experts at what they do. And that's what I appreciate that, and that's why we use them, and we always will.